You want to clean up your frunk? Keep things organized? Can-Am has designed a gut box organizer for your Ryker to do just that. It features 3 separate storage pockets for all your little stuff that you don't want to get lost. It measures 11 inches tall by 8 inches wide, providing a perfect fit. For installation, use the included double-sided tape. Hook and loop design makes it easy to remove and bring with you. It's manufactured and hand sewn in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. Check out our complete line of covers and storage solutions to make your Ryker stand out. Hey everybody, thanks for checking in. Remember, it's your ride, only better with Can-Am. I'm Keith, and I'll see you down the road.